You brought up words and letters. I would add that in my mental model of these attacks, there's two branches in that type of attack. One would be what I mentioned, which is trying to find words or phrase replacements that make sense in context. So like trying to produce another input that could have been written by a person and has the same meaning. So in NLP, we call that like preservation of semantics. That would be one type of attack. And then there's a bunch of other attacks that have a very different use case that are, instead of making word level changes, making character level changes. So there's some papers, one famous one is called Hot Flip, where they would take an input that the model deals with correctly and then change a few characters, as few as possible, to make the model's output wrong. And it turns out that you can actually replace, especially with shorter inputs, you can replace like maybe one or two characters in one or two words, and that would be enough to make many of even like these very effective state-of-the-art NLP models like confused and output the wrong prediction. So with the chat use case, that's definitely a big issue.